In this video, I will teach you how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin to your GCash account. First of all, you need to open your Sweatcoin app. Then you need to click rewards in the bottom. I will tell you that there is no direct method to transfer your money from Sweatcoin to GCash, but I will show you what you need to do. So to withdraw your money from Sweatcoin to GCash, you need to buy the gift card. So go to the buy section right here and you can buy, for example, $5, $25 or $50 worth of gift cards. When you click on this, you will see that to buy the minimum $5 amount of gift card, you need to have 5,000 Sweatcoins. So if you have available balance, you can buy the gift card on Sweatcoin, and after that you can exchange this gift card to GCash money. There are a lot of exchangers who are exchanging gift cards, for example, such as Bitrefill. You can use this platform to exchange your gift card. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.